A total solar eclipse will take place on August 2, 2027, between 13 hours, 1 minutes and 18 hours, 12 minutes IST. The moon will move in front of the sun, creating a total eclipse that will be visible across Africa, southern Saudi Arabia, and western Yemen. Let's now discuss the total solar eclipse that will take place on August 2, 2027. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any newly uploaded videos. Hang on till the end of the video, so you don't miss any part of this interesting video. So, let's dive in. The solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse will occur over much of the Central Eastern Hemisphere on Monday, August 2, 2027. Starting across the eastern Atlantic Ocean, it will pass through the Strait of Gibraltar, which separates Spain from Morocco. Southern Spain, regions of North Africa, the Middle East, and the northern tip of the Horn of Africa will all be able to see its totality. A partial eclipse is visible in much of the Eastern Hemisphere. Luxor in the center of Egypt, Jeddah, and Mecca in southern Saudi Arabia, and Sana'a in southern Yemen are just a few of the significant cities that will fall within the path. It will be the first of 3 total solar eclipses that will pass over the center of Tunisia in the 21st century. It will last for 6 minutes and 22 seconds and will be visible in Egypt, about 60 kilometers southeast of Luxor. About the eclipse. The eclipse, which is number 38 out of 71 in the series, is a part of Saros 136. This series of eclipses all take place at the moon's descending node. The moon moves northward with respect to the node with each succeeding eclipse in the series, and gamma increases. The solar eclipse of August 2, 2027, will be a particularly long total eclipse, lasting for a maximum of 6 minutes 23 seconds. It has a 1.0790 eclipse magnitude. A penumbral lunar eclipse on July 18, 2027 occurs 2 weeks before the total solar eclipse of August 2, 2027, and a penumbral lunar eclipse on August 17, 2027 occurs 2 weeks after it. A single eclipse season includes all of these eclipses. The JPL-DE 405 solar and lunar ephemerides were used to make predictions for the August 2, 2027 total solar eclipse. The lunar coordinates were calculated with respect to the moon's center of Massachusetts. Both terrestrial dynamical time and universal time are used to provide the predictions. To convert between these two times, use the parameter delta t. For this eclipse, delta t has a value of 72.8 seconds. Eclipse safety. If the wrong tools are used, watching the sun can be quite harmful. The sun is the brightest object in the sky, and staring at it directly for more than a few seconds can result in permanent eye damage. Viewing it through any optical instrument, even a pair of binoculars or the finder scope on the side of a telescope, can cause instant and permanent blindness. It is advised to avoid using equipment that you are unsure about whether it is safe to use. Attending a public observation event is, by far, the safest course of action. On that day, many astronomical societies are likely to host observing events, and they'll be sure to welcome newcomers. Special filters that can be installed on telescopes to make them safe for sun viewing are sold by several astronomy companies. These include the black polymer filters or aluminized mylar filters that have been designated as being appropriate for direct sun viewing. Check that the filter has a CE mark and a statement that it conforms to European Community Directive 89/686 EEC. A welder's glass rated at number 14 or higher is also an option. Always carefully read the manufacturer's directions. It's time to conclude the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section. Let's meet again with another interesting video.